Hi, this is Sohail from Vizioner. Today I want to show you how to overcome a real-world challenge with Power BI. From time to time we get the reports that are built by someone else and they have a lot of visuals on every single report page, and we have many report pages. One of the real challenges is to identify which visual is linked to which field from what table. So if we want to do it in Power BI desktop, we have to click on every single visual on every single page to identify which table and which fields are used in that visual. By expanding the table and display folder, we can identify the measure or the column from the table. What if we want to identify all the unused fields and unused tables and hide those tables from the end users? Doing something like this in Power BI desktop would be really cumbersome. So at Vizioner, we created a very useful tool for it that can help you to hide all the unused fields and tables all at the same time. To use our tool, you just log into Power BI Documenter by logging into app.datavisioner.com and then upload your PBIT file from your local storage folder. After uploading the file, you can see that the file appears here on the Vizioner, and it detects that the file contains a full report, which means it contains the data model and the report itself. Let's click through it. By going to the Practices tab, we can see our report is experimented against some best practices, something like unused fields and unused tables or unused custom visuals. Right at the moment, we can apply the unused fields and unused tables best practices into our data model. But before going there, we can download a list of unused fields or a list of unused tables from here. By clicking on the hyperlink, we can quickly download a unused fields and unused tables. By opening it up, we can see all the unused fields here by their type, if it is a measure or if it is a hierarchy, and by their name, and if they are already hidden or not. But again, making all of those changes into Power BI desktop is pretty cumbersome. So what we can do, we can simply click on this button to download a version of our PBIT file, which is a Power BI template file with a applied best practices. To do that, we click on this button, and there you go. You have it. You can open up this file, and it is a PBIT file, so it must connect to your data sources. And then after the first time that it's connected to the data sources, it downloads the files. Let's have a look at those files side by side before and after applying best practices. This is the file before applying best practices, and this is the file after we applied best practices by using the Apply Best Practice feature in Power BI Documenter. As you can see, all the tables and fields that are not used anywhere in our data model or in the visual or into dependencies are hidden here for us by a simple click. So this would be our data model after applying best practices. Thank you for watching.